A very good morning to each and everyone. How are you all doing?
I am fine, thank you, sir.
Thank you. How are you, ma'am?
I'm fine. Thank you very much, my dear ones.
Ma'am.
Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning. Very good morning. Please mute.
How are you?
I'm fine. Thank you. So, today we are going to begin with worksheet 14. Worksheet number 14. The title of the same is Verbs. 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 I request everybody to please repeat the word after me. Verbs. 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 Yes, everybody once again. Verbs. Verb.
Verb.
Yes, very good. Now, we need to understand what exactly is the meaning of this term verbs. Oh, my dear students, let me tell you that any word, any particular word that tells us what a person, an animal, or a thing does is called a verb. Okay, I'll repeat it for you. Any word that tells us what a person, an animal, or a thing does is called a verb. Let me repeat it for you once again. Any word that tells us what a person, an animal, or a thing does is called a verb. Is called a verb. Okay, does or doing, a person or animal or place is doing or does. Both mean one and the same. Any word that tells us what a person is doing, what an animal is doing, or what a thing does is called a verb. Verb. V-E-R-B. Verb. Clear to you? Is it clear to you all?
Yes.
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 Okay. Fine. Now, whenever we do any particular work, task, any particular task, we do some or the other actions. Yes? Don't we? When we write, we will write like this. When we speak, our lips and tongue will move accordingly as per how we speak. When we look here and there, our eyes will move here and there. Don't they? Yes. So whenever we are doing any particular work or task, we will do some or the other actions. What do? We do some or the other actions. Yes. That is the reason verbs are also called as action words or doing words. What are they also called as? Action words or doing words. Got it? Whenever we do any particular work, we do it by or through some actions. It varies from work to work. Actions. The work also varies. The work that we are doing also varies depending on what we are doing, right? So all these words that tell us about an action that a person, an animal, or a thing does is called a verb, and verbs are also called as action words or doing words. Clear to you all? Is it clear? Yes, as always, we will be solving the questions in the exercise, then things will become clearer to you. Just remember that action words, words that show or tell us about any action, or doing words, Words that tell us about what a person, an animal, or thing is doing or does are called verbs. Verbs. V-E-R-B-S. Verbs. Clear? Walking, talking, sleeping, running, writing, dancing. All these are using some or the other action. Yes? All these words which tell us about any particular work or any particular action that is being done are called as doing words or verbs, action words as well. Got it? Did you get some idea about it? That is what today's exercise is based on. Verbs, V-E-R-B-S. Let me share the screen. Yeah, while the screen gets loaded, I request all of you to be on page number 42. 42. 42. I request everybody to please mute their devices. Naomika. Yes. Rupa, please mute your device.
Ma'am, writing.
Yes. Please keep your pencil and eraser with you.
By which book?
Grammar workbook, my dear. Worksheet number 14. Verbs. V-E-R-B-S. Verbs. V-E-R-B-S. Verbs. Let us try to understand it once again. A word that tells us what a person, animal, or thing does are called verbs. A word that tells us what a person, animal, or thing does are called verbs. V-E-R-B-S. I request everybody to keep their devices muted and repeat the spelling of the word verbs. Please repeat. V-E-R-B-S. Verbs. Naomika, please sit properly. V-E-R-B-S. Verbs.
What?
V-E-R-B-S. Verbs.
V-E-R.
B-S. Verbs. Please keep your devices muted. Now, I want everybody to repeat after me. A word that tells us
That
That
us
yes.
tells us what a person,
Verbs.
a
What a
person,
animal,
animal,
or
animal or thing
does.
or thing
Does.
does
Yes, does are called verbs.
are o-
Called verbs.
verbs.
V-E-R-B-S. Verbs. V-E-R-B-S. Verbs. Okay. And
are
all verbs show action. All verbs
are
show action. And that is the reason all verbs are also called action words or doing words. All verbs show action. That is the reason all verbs are also called as action words or doing words. For example, run. Running is an action. Yes? That is why running is a verb. Smile. Smiling is an action. Yes, I want everybody to smile. Come on, smile. Very good. Very good. Smile. When you're happy and you. Very good. Good, good. Okay. Now, eat. Eat. Are you hungry when you hear that word? Do you feel hungry? No, right? You had your breakfast, right? Eat. Eat is also an action. Okay. Now let us try to look at a few examples. Neeta dances. Nilha? Nilha, unmute. Neeta dances. Which is the action word here?
Dancer.
Yes, dances.
The lion rose. Dances.
Dances. Elroy, unmute. The lion roars. What is the action here? Verb.
Float.
Roars. Yes, very good. Thank you.
And run.
Fardeen, unmute. Thank you, Elroy. Fardeen, unmute first.
Yes, ma'am.
Fardeen, tell me. The clown jumps. The clown jumps. What is the action word here? Or verb?
Jumps.
Jumps. Very good. I request everybody to please mute their devices, others. Please, it is disturbing the session.
T-A.
Please mute everybody. Don't speak in between. Unmute it only when I call out your names. Okay, children?
N-E. N-E-E-T-A. Neater. Neater. D-A-N-C-E-R.
Okay, good. Now, the words run, smile, eat, dances, roars, and jumps are doing words. In this particular page, all these words run, smile, eat, dances, roars, and jumps are doing words. Okay? Which are also called as verbs or action words. Clear? Okay, good. Now let us go ahead with the exercise. Question number 8. Choose the correct verb.
No, ma'am. No.
What happened, Abel? What is the matter?
Mine are finished.
Yeah, I have not started it. Wait. I'm just going to start. Yes. Choose the correct words from the box and fill in the blanks. Hadia, unmute. I want to see your face. Sit properly, please. Yeah, Hadia, read the first question, number 1.
The fish.
A fish, a fish.
A fish. Dash in the water.
Yes, a fish dash in the water. Options are there. I want you to choose the correct one. Which verb should I take here?
Swims.
Good spelling.
S-W-I-M-S.
Yes, S-W-I-M-S. Swims in the water. Okay, good effort, Hadia. Thank you. Abel CB, unmute. Try number 2. Yeah, 2. Yeah. Read number 2, Abel.
R-O-M-A.
Roma.
Roma.
Roma is the name of a girl. Dash up.
Dash the
Picture.
picture.
Yes. Roma dash a picture.
P.
Sorry?
Picture.
Okay. Tell me the answer, Abel. Roma dash a picture. Paints, plays, brush, shines, reads. Say, what do we do to a picture? Do we play with it? Do we brush it? Do we shine it? Or do we read it? Or do we paint it? What do we do? A picture?
I know, ma'am.
We paint the pictures, right? Paint or color. Yes, Abel?
Yes.
Yes. So the correct answer is paints. Roma paints a picture. Okay. Okay, Abel. Thank you. Ivania, unmute. Try the third one.
Mina.
Meena.
Mina
Hmm.
dash
The book. Okay. Meena dash the book. The options left are plays, brush, shines, or reads. What to do with a book?
reads.
Reads. Yes, you are absolutely right. Meena reads the book. Okay, well done, Ivania. Thank you. Krishank, unmute. Try the fourth one.
Ma'am, I'm not finished.
A-V-I-D.
Yes.
Mine not finished. Ma'am, I not finished.
Okay, please
Ma'am,
wait.
I not finished.
Please wait. Abel, mute your device. Yes, Krishank, read.
Ma'am,
I not finished. Two pages left. No finish.
Ma'am, D-L-D-A.
Krishank, mute again. Unmute again, sorry. Yeah, read. Abel, I'll show it to you again. Wait. David, David. Huh?
Dash F O T B A L
L. F-O-O-T.
ball.
Football. Yes, very good. David dash football. Plays, brush or shines. Play or play? Plays. Yes, very good. David plays football. David plays football. Okay, good effort, my dear. Thank you, Krishank. Devarsh, unmute. Try to read the fifth one, number 5.
Dash.
The sun, look at the options, shines and brush.
Line.
Shine, spelling.
S-H-I-N-E-S.
Yes, very good, very good. Thank you, Devarsh. Good effort. Ryan Salish, unmute. Try the last one, number 6. I
dash my
correction
teeth.
here. T-E-E-T-H. Teeth. It is not, that is a spelling error. Please correct it and make it T-H. T-E-E-T-H. Teeth.
Teeth.
Yes, I dash my teeth
I mess every day.
every day. What is the correct answer?
Brush.
Brush. Very good. Spelling.
B-R-U-S-H.
Yes, fantastic. Thank you, Ryan. Good effort. I brush my teeth every day. Okay, thank you. Abhinav, unmute. Try the next one.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Question number B. Circle the verb.
Circle
The verbs.
the
Verbs.
word. Like
Okay, now tell me. Page number 43. Question number B. Circle the verbs. Tell me. Is it a verb? Right.
with
No, you tell me. Right.
right,
Is it a
right.
is it a verb? Right is a verb or not?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Right is a verb. Okay, fine. Thank you, Abhinav. Sarah, unmute. Food. Food. Is it a verb? Sarah? No. Okay, very good, Sarah. Thank you. Lakshana, unmute. Others, please mute. Lakshana, unmute again.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Eat.
Yes.
Eat is a verb. Yes, very good. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Naomika, unmute. B-I-R-D, bird. Is it a verb? Yes or no? B-I-R-D, bird. Is it a verb? Say yes or no. Unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Bird is a verb. Does that word show some action? Bird. Does it tell us about some action? Yes or no? No, it does not. Bird. It does not tell us about any action. So it is not a verb. Okay, Naomika? Did you understand now? Okay. Sia, unmute. Sleep. S-L-E-E-P. Is it a verb? Sia? Is the word sleep a verb? S-L-E-E-P, sleep.
S-L-E-E-P.
E-E-P, sleep. Yes, that is an action, yes? So it is a verb. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Elvin, unmute. Swim. Is it a verb?
Swim.
W-I-M, swim. Is it a verb?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Very good. Thank you. Abel Anthony. Duck. D-U-C-K. Is it a verb? Duck. D-U-C-K. Duck.
No.
No, it's the name of a bird, right? So it is not a verb. Okay. Aman Babu, unmute. Tree. Is it a verb? Unmute, Aman. Tree. Is it a verb? Say yes or no. Huh? Tree is a verb. Say yes or no. No. Okay. Very good. Thank you. Yeah, welcome. Nilha, unmute. Play. P-L-A-Y. Is it a verb?
Yes.
Yes. Very good. Play is a verb. Elroy, unmute. Climb. C-L-I-M-B. Is it a verb? Climb. Yes. Okay. Very good. Thank you. Hala, unmute. B-A-T, bat. Is it a verb? Unmute, Hala.
No.
No. Okay. Rukma, T-A-L-K, talk. Thank you, Hala. Good effort. T-A-L-K, talk. Is it a verb, Rukma? Unmute, my dear. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, talk is a verb. We do some action. Sankalp, unmute. Thank you, Rukma. Good effort. Sankalp, K-I-T-E, kite. Is it a verb? Unmute. Kite, is it a verb?
No.
No. Okay, very good. Able CB, unmute. C-L-A-P, clap. Is it a verb? Clap.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
very good. Yes, yes. Clap is a verb. Okay. Then Alna, unmute. C-U-P, cup. Is it a verb?
No.
No. Very good. Thank you. Ritik Sunil, unmute. Sing. S-I-N-G, sing. Sing is a verb or not?
Yes.
Yes, it is a verb. Very good. Thank you. Then Shankar. Yeah, welcome. Shankar, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
U-G-H, laugh. Is it a verb?
No.
Laugh.
Yes.
Then you laugh and show me. Come on, how do you laugh? Let me see. Laugh is when you smile with a sound. So I should be able to hear the sound also. Come on, do it again. Yes, very good. Laugh is a verb. Okay. Pizza, unmute. The last one. Dog. D-O-G, dog. Is it a verb?
No.
No. Okay, very good. So that's it. We have completed questions A and B. C and D we will do in the next session. All right? Is it clear to you all? We'll go ahead slowly. No hurry. Things should be clear to you all. That is very important. Now you have got some idea about the term verbs. Yes? Is it difficult or easy? Easy, right? You need to understand it. That is very important. All right. So with this, we have come to the end of today's session. Thank you very much. See you in the next session. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye.